True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yes, people, always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Right now, country life is the best. Yeah man, you see this? Yeah man, I'm calling it the breadfruit. Some persons call it the Moraceae. So a lot of persons go a country, them come from town and go a country, and them family members give them some breadfruit. But they want some way how to store the breadfruit so it can last a little bit longer. So I'm show you a method how you can store the breadfruit. Just a simple hack. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah man, so this is the yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah man, so there's no place like the country, you know. So just keep on watching. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yes, some people, so I just picked some breadfruit, freshly picked off of the tree. So I show you if you store them can last you at least 5 days. Just a simple method. You just want to have a clean bucket of water, and all you need to do, just put the breadfruit them inside the water, make them submerge. From once them go underneath the water, them can stay for y'all 5 days. If not, they gonna ripe very fast. So this is a method where you can store breadfruit them for 5 days. Yeah man, so them are the real yellow heart breadfruit them, you know. Tell us that there's nothing like the country life, everything in the country. So you know, so in the country, yeah man, so you know, so you gotta roast some breadfruit. So I gotta remove the stem. Yeah man, remove the stem, is it? Same time, I cut a X. You go send the knife right through the middle, so you have to be careful. Yeah man, so you see it? Knife going straight through the middle. So this is the way the breadfruit will get to be soaked properly. So you have to send the knife straight through the middle so you can get to be soaked properly. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna do the rest. Then shortly I will make up the fire. Just a country life. Roast breadfruit, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna hunt some wood now. See if I can hunt some wood. Roast some breadfruit, yeah. So you don't know country life is the best, you know. Yes, some people I tell you now. Yeah, I'm gonna cut some wood, fill up my wheelbarrow. So yeah, I think me have as much wood now, have as much wood now, you know, so yeah man, kind of feel tired seeing me, but I don't know, we still at work. No matter what I go and see me, we still at work seeing me. I have to get them breadfruit and roast. So yeah, you know you can eat your breadfruit with ackee and saltfish, salt mackerel, corn pork. Any way you want your breadfruit, you can do it. Roast breadfruit is the best way to go. Blessings. So keep on watching. I set up a fire now and hit the road. Yeah man, so you make up a fire now. Yeah man, so you need some, you don't really need a whole heap of fire energy still because you know so the yellow heart breadfruit is kinda easy for roast. So we're not really putting a whole heap of fire underneath the breadfruit them. So yeah man, so I'm done now we catch up the country fire. Just get a little bit of plastic and make it go and burn. Yeah man, this is how we catch a country fire, you know. We really want to curse now, let's use some plastic. So yes, some people, fire ready you know. Breadfruit time, you know. So you see it, just get a dozen for the ackee, you see it? Yeah man. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yeah man, I show you some of the finished product you know, of the breadfruit them.